got that lotion going on. Hi beauties, welcome back. What's going on? Super excited. I was supposed to put this one up yesterday, Monday, but schedule got me. I was feeling a little tired. I was like, holy crap, gotta do this, but everything happens for a reason because today's Tuesday. I have today off, filming a couple of videos. This one is going up today, Tuesday. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you love Mel Cosmetics, go ahead and subscribe and like. We are doing their mystery box and I am freaking stoked, like beyond measure, because I have a feeling there's a palette in here. Before we get into it, I'm still burning my cotton candy champagne. I'm almost done with it. My lipstick today is the new one that I got from Give Me Glow Cosmetics, and it's called Pumpkin and Spices. So far, I'm loving it. I love the color. And before I get into unboxing the box with you guys, I just want to let you know that I have pre-recorded some videos to post up for you guys while I'm gone on vacation at my mom's. They have already been recorded and have been edited and have been uploaded onto my channel. They are scheduled to go up on the 31st, which is going to be my empties of everything that I emptied out this year, most of it, or most of what I remember keeping. And then on, I believe it's the 28th, you will get my favorite purchases of 2021. Really quick, I usually do a products that shocked the hell out of me at the end of the year, but a lot of the products that shocked me this year ended up turning into my favorite purchases, so I just put them all together and you'll see that on the 28th. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and it's literally just, I'm going to show you all my favorite purchases of the year and some that shocked me, including in that video. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. Let's get into the boxing. You guys, you know that I only own, I think, like 2 liquid lipsticks from Mel Cosmetics. Literally one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas out there. I love it so much. And then I finally was able to try out their eyeliner, and another hit for me. So far I have not been disappointed by Mel Cosmetics, and whatever I could afford to get from them. They are a little on the pricey, prestigious side. I don't get to purchase from them often. When I saw one of the girls that I follow on YouTube, I think it's Amy Loves Makeup, something like that. She does a lot of indie stuff. I'll link her channel down below. She unboxed a Mel Cosmetics mystery box and she bought both of them. The small one was $25 and then the big one was $75. I was like, let me not go to overboard. Still working on a budget, so I bought the $25 one, and here it is. It has not been opened at all. I'm gonna open it right now. It's been sitting on my desk for a couple of days, and I'm like, I was so tempted, you guys, so freaking tempted to open it, and I did not. So I am opening it on camera with you, so what you see is my legitimate reaction. And you know that when I do mystery boxes, I get super excited. I'm probably gonna cry because I'm hoping that there's a palette in here. And literally my #1 palette that I've been wanting to try from them is Burnt Orange Terracotta. Go figure. Like I think it's called the Rust palette, I think. But again, here's, if you've never gotten a box from Mel Cosmetics, this is what their boxes look like. And it's incredible. I absolutely love it. And I love that right when you open up the box, it says, thank you, we love you, Mel Cosmetics. All right, guys. I'm not sure of how many pieces is in this box. I don't know if it's like 3 or 4, but here we go. And I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry, I'm just being dramatic. Okay, we got a card, a letter from our founder and CEO, but I'm not gonna read it because that's a lot. And then, Stop. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. So we got the card, and then my order slip, and then I got another, I think, yeah. I got another sticker by them. Their stickers are just so pretty. And then the first sticker I ever got from them, I put it on my little clipboard right here. This is my little clipboard where I write down my notes and stuff so I don't forget what to tell you guys. Fun fact. But this is pretty, so I will put it somewhere, maybe on my clipboard. Okay, first thing, there's a palette in here. How many items come in here? Is this, oh no, where's the top to this? Okay, so I got an all day everyday ultra matte lip liner in the color Foxy, and it did come without a cap on, but that's okay because obviously you could sharpen these. This I know I can use. Oh wait, it's a little dried. Hold on. This is a little dry. Maybe when I get down into the middle. It could have been because it was exposed and open, but that's what it looks like. This is Foxy, and it is super matte, and it does feel creamy. So this is what it looks like. All right, cool. I'm excited because I've never tried any of their lip liners, and I think this is part of their newest lip liner launch that they did. Maybe I think like last month or something. So that's one item, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 items come in here, and there is a palette, and I think it's literally the second one that I've wanted. And if this is one of their blushes, I'm going to, oh my gosh, you guys, oh my god, okay. Let me figure out how to open this. Okay, so far lip liner winner because I don't have one. And this is Melt Cosmetics. Oh, yep, this is Ghost in the color Ghost Light Blush Light. You guys, I'm gonna die. Look at this packaging. It's so pretty. Stop it. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. Oh, I'm so glad I just went with the $25 one. Oh wow, wait. Okay, this is what it looks like, and it is really white, but I'm wondering if it has like a pink glow. Oh, it's holographic. Oh wow, it kind of turns into like a gold highlighter. You might not see that, might be too much lighting, but that's really pretty. I'll do a TikTok video on this. It throws you off because it's super white in here, and obviously it's called Ghost Light, but when it's on the skin, it has a gold, almost rust goldish type of finish to it, which is actually really pretty. It'll kind of give you that natural glow within. I'm digging this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Next item is, I got one of their little Melt Ultra Matte lipsticks in the color Tease. This is what it looks like, just in case. The packaging is matte. It's super cute. This is great for travel. That is really, really pretty. Let's give that a swatch really quick. I like that. Tease, and what was the lip liner? Foxy. That's a great combo. I'm sure that they put thought into that, but this is Tease, is the lipstick down here. It's an everyday neutral. It's very wearable for anyone, so I'm stoked. I am stoked. Probably gonna take this with me to mom's, so I'm excited over that. Okay, what is this? Melt Cosmetics Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlight, okay, in the color Chocolate Dip. I saw her unbox one of these, and I wasn't too excited. This is hella dark. I love the packaging though. The packaging is beautiful. Love the packaging. Not sure about the color. I wonder how it would be when I would like buff it out. Ooh, that is dark. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna use that. I'll be honest with you, I don't know how I'm gonna use that. If you know, let me know. Okay, so I just washed my hands, and I noticed that it has a pink shimmery undertone to it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use this, but I can learn how to use this or manipulate this in some form of way for me to use it. The packaging is gorgeous, you guys, and I was really shocked at that it had like a pink undertone to it, which is very interesting. It's very intriguing. Digital liquid highlight. Never tried anything. Apply onto face and body as desired. All right, that's something that I'm gonna learn how to use in the new year. And I will say, you guys, I just washed my hands to get it all off, and this is the lip liner. It does not want to come off. Perfection. Yes, I'm all about that. Okay, last item in here is a palette, and if I didn't get, oh my gosh, I was thinking to myself, I wonder what palette is in there. Number one would be the Rust one for me, again, like I mentioned before, and then the second one, if I didn't get that one, was Blueprints. And you guys, I got Blueprint. Oh my gosh. Not that I need another blue palette, because I have the blue palette by ColourPop. I have the blue palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And then I also have a blue palette by Morphe. So, but this is Melt. I've never used their eyeshadow palette. I mean, their eyeshadow formula before. So I'm just like, okay, why can't I get this out? Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, shut up. Oh my gosh, this is just gorgeous. You guys, and it's a matte finish. Like, I can't. Notice how I got like low tone right now? I finally get to try out their freaking formula, you guys. I hope their shimmers don't give me an allergic reaction. This is stunning. But I loved how they mixed it in with everyday neutrals. Dude, these, oh my goodness. Like, if you haven't seen this before and you're like obsessed with makeup the way I am, obviously you're here and supporting my channel. But you guys, like these blues, I'm gonna do like swatches for you on TikTok, because I don't even want to ruin this right now. Okay, just one. You guys, this is just gorgeous. Sometimes just photos don't do makeup justice until you have it in your hands. Like, this is insane. All right, I will swatch. Oh my gosh, I don't know which one to swatch though. I'm gonna swatch all of them on TikTok for you guys, so follow me there. But I definitely want to swatch a shimmer one. I don't know if I want to do King Stud, which is this gorgeous cobalt blue right here, or if I want to do Skylight, this one. Oh my goodness, which one? Okay, I'm gonna go for Skylight and we're gonna swatch it. Oh, this is a little powdery. Okay, it's making a mess. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Kind of blend it out as if you were to blend it out on your eye. That's what it looks like. That is just gonna be fantastic for highlighting or just like all over the eye. You guys, it's got that blue shift, like that blue greenish holographic shift. I don't like that so much came out of the pan. Like, it feels a little chunky. It's already coming off, but the color itself is stunning. You guys, I'm so excited that I finally get to try their eyeshadow formula. Okay, I'm not disappointed at all. Lip liner is gonna be insane. Lipstick is gonna be gorgeous. This, I'm gonna learn how to use. This was surprising. I'll be honest with you, I thought this was the blush, like the blush, but this is a blush light. So I'm intrigued by this, but wasn't expecting that. This, you guys, oh my goodness, the packaging, everything, like, I'm freaking excited. Oh my goodness, you guys, I can't. Okay, so I'm very satisfied. I am glad that I didn't go overboard and buy both of them or just buy the $75 one. This will be a great opportunity for me within a budget to try more of their stuff. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my goodness. Leave me comments down below on what you think. Have you tried Melt Cosmetics eyeshadows before? I haven't. Leave me comments. Let me know what you think. Are you loving them? Do you not? Are they consistent? Have you had trouble with them before? I want to know the details. I'm super excited over the lip liner and the lipstick. I'm just like, okay, I can't. All right, thank you, Jesus. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is gonna be fun and insane to try out, you guys. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below on what you think, and I will see you in a couple of days. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Please be kind to one another and please be kind to yourself. I love you. Bye.